This is for zone wall mount dimming control function. Short press to select zone on/off key. Short press brightness plus 4-5 grades dimming. Brightness 1 select zone B. On, off and dimming for zone B separately. 1 long press any zone key for 2 seconds. All zone indicator lights up to synchronously control. Long press brightness plus could gradless dimming. Could select any brightness. Zones for 4 keys are DIY keys. Could set brightness for 4 zones and save the setting in 1 DIY key. Like this zone is DIY for zone A5 and zone B70 brightness.